there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And we're in the kitchen for the first time in a long time. No, I'm in the kitchen virtually every day making things. I just haven't done a cooking video in a long time because, quite honestly, they don't get that many views. The travel videos, the grief videos, those get all the views. But every now and then I like to throw in a cooking video. Because whether or not you're single, married, divorced, widowed, you should still cook at home. You save a ton of money. And like the apron says, you're cooking with Jack and Pam. And tonight I am very excited to share with you this recipe. It's my very own, made it up in my head. It's a shrimp dish with a heart of palms pasta. We're using heart of palms pasta, Argentine red shrimp. We've got some a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic. Let's see, what else? Some smoked paprika. Then we've got some chopped vegetables. We've got some chopped mushrooms, some chopped onion, some chopped red peppers, and you could even throw in some chopped red tomatoes as well. That would be pretty good. You're going to need some olive oil. You're going to need a nice little pan. You're going to put it all together, and it's going to be just glorious. In fact, let me show you the step-by-step process. Now the red pepper, the mushrooms, the onions, and all the spices, they're sauteing now in the olive oil. You want to keep those, sauteed for about, probably 10 to 12 minutes till they become a little translucent, nice and soft, and continue to get a brilliant, brilliant color. So next up, we've added our red Argentine shrimp now. We've put those in our sauce. Well, it's not really a sauce yet. It's just some olive oil and our different seasonings and such. Kind of move that around with our pepper, our mushroom, and our onion as well. These are going to cook up beautifully. Now remember with shrimp, you don't want to overcook them because they will get tough. That is just looking magnificent. We are almost there, so hang on for just one more step. Actually, two more steps will do. So our shrimp have been cooking for 3 or 4 minutes, and that's going to be just enough time. Next up, we're going to go over here, and we're going to be getting our pesto. Okay, so here we go. This is so hard trying to do this with just one hand, but that's okay. So how much are we going to get? There's 1 big teaspoon. That's a tablespoon as much as I'm getting in there. Here we go. I love pesto. Now if you're not a lover of pesto, this isn't going to be your kind of dish. But for me, I absolutely love it. And then we just kind of stir that pesto in there. Look at that. Oh gosh. This is going to be so delicious. You guys and girls have no idea what you're missing. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? So now we've got our pesto, we've got our shrimp, we've got all of our veggies in there. It's nice and warm and rich. One more thing to add. Let me go get it. All right, here we go. We're going to be adding this. There's our heart of palm noodles. And I know you're looking, I'm going, really? And I'm telling you, this is as close to pasta as you're going to get without the carbs. And when you cook it in something like this, trust me, you cannot tell the difference. I think I've done another video on another dish that I did using this. Take a look. And you're just going to kind of move it around, till it absorbs all that goodness of the pesto, the shrimp, the peppers, and the onions. This is looking mighty good. Next step, we'll plate it for you. Okay, we've now plated the dish. It looks absolutely beautiful. I garnished it with some red pepper flakes. I like doing that. I love my spiciness. But anyway, rich and delicious, and trust me, it tastes every bit as good as it looks. So again, I think you'd have to agree that was a quick and easy gourmet dish. I made it right here in my kitchen. You may be asking, well, how much did that dish cost to make? Under 10 bucks, trust me. If you went to a restaurant, you're going to pay $20, $25 for that same dish. And I've still got plenty of shrimp in the freezer now. I've still got another red pepper. I've still got pesto left over. So we're in good shape to make it again. Hey, keep subscribing to our channel. That, of course, is Traveling with Jack and Pam. I also invite you to check out my podcast. That, of course, is Love Letters to Pam, the Jack Church Show. Until we see you that next time, have a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow. and bon appetit.